all this sweat really worth it? Hell no. Shit. I'm so surprised. The first real thing I've caught so far after like 5 hours. Huh. Oh, I bet this is it. I bet this is it. The big catch. Oh, it's gotta be. Oh, yes. Nothing. Alright, I'm feeling this one. I know this one's it. That treasure's out there waiting for me. And I'm about to get it on this cast. Yes. I watch these YouTube magnet fishing videos all night preparing for this big catch. Those guys are always catching something every time they throw it. This is like my thousandth time throwing it. This has got to be it. Oh, yes, yes. Yes. Can't lose hope yet. One thing I know, this is going to be the lucky cast of the day. This will get me rich. Oh, that's exactly where I think it is. There's no way I'm going to miss it. No way. No way. I know I got it. Oh, yeah. I hear the money calling now. Oh, shit, I got something. I can't freaking believe it. I really can't, actually. Holy cow. Freaking piece to a hammer. Huh. I'm really surprised. I'm amazed. I'm super psyched after that last big catch. It might have not been my treasure, but I know it's getting close. This is it. Come on in, baby. Let's get these dollars a rolling. Show these YouTube magnet fishing boys how it's done. Oh, this is definitely it. Definitely. Definitely not it. Man, it's hotter than 2 rats fucking in a wool sock. Getting so lucky. Hell yeah. The prizes are getting bigger. Here's my lucky prizes that I actually caught on video, which is unbelievable to me. Not too bad. Oh, and by the way, if whoever's watching, if there's anything I'm doing wrong, or any type of suggestions, please let me know in the comments. And if you give me a like, that would be awesome. But if not, you're still awesome. Thanks. Here's a look at everything that I caught today. Probably not gonna get me rich, but I had fun.